Chapter 7 of Autumn Leaves. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Raven Notation. Autumn Leaves. Edited by Anna Wales Abbott. The Sounds of Evening in Cambridge. The melodies of morning late I sang. Recall we now those melodies of even, which charmed our ear, the summer day o'erpast. Full of a theme, O Phoebus, hear me sing. What time thy golden car draws near its goal, Mount Auburn's pillared summit, chorus loud, O mud-born songsters, fills the dewy air. Hark! in yon shallow pool, what melody is poured from swelling throats, liquid and bubbling, as if the plaintive notes thrilled struggling through the stagnant waters and the waving reeds. Monotonous the melancholy strain, save when the bullfrog, from some slimy depth profound, sends up his deep hootoob, hootoob, like a staccato note of double bass, marking the cadence. The unwearied crickets fill up the harmony, and the whippoorwill his mournful solo sings among the willows. The tree-toad's pleasant trilling croak proclaims a coming rain, a welcome evil sure, when streets are one long ash heap, and the flowers, fainting or crisp in sun-baked borders stand. Mount Auburn's gate is closed. The latest bus down Brattle Street goes rumbling. Labourers hie home by twos and threes, homeliest phizzes, voices high-pitched and tongues with tell-tale brrr. The short-stemmed pipe, diffusing odours vile, garments of comic and misfitting make, and steps which tend to Curran's door, a man ignoble, yet quite worthy of the name, of Philpot Curran, all proclaim the race adopted by Columbia, grumblingly, when their stepmother country casts them off. Here with a creaking barrow, piled with tools, keen as the wit that wields them, hurries by a man of different stamp. His well-trained limbs move with a certain grace and readiness, skilful intelligence every muscle swaying. Rapid his tread, yet firm, his scheming brain teems with broad plans and hopes of future wealth, and time and life move all too slow for him. Will he industrious gains and home renounce, to grow more quickly rich in lands unblessed? Hearest thou that gleeful shout? Who opes the gate, the neatly painted gate, and runs before with noisy joy? Now from the trellised door toddles another bright-haired boy, and now captive they lead the father, strong their grasp, he cannot break away. Dreamily quiet, the dewy twilight of a summer eve, tired mortals lounge at casement or at door, while deepening shadows gather round. No lamp save in yon shop, whose sable minister his evening customers attends. Anon, with squeaking bucket on his arm, emerges the errand boy, slow marching to the tune of Uncle Ned or Norma, whistled shrill. Hark! Heard you not against the window-pane the dash of horny skull in mad career, and a loud buzz of terror? He'll be in, this horrid beetle, yes, and in my hair. Close all the blinds. 'Tis dismal, but 'tis safe. Listen, methought I heard delicious music, faint and afar. Pray, is the boat club out? Do the Pierian minstrels meet to-night, or chime the bells of Boston or the port? Nearer now, nearer. Ah, bloodthirsty villain, is it you? Too late I closed the blind. Alas! List, there's another trump. There, two of 'em. 2, a quintet at least, mosquito chorus. Ah, ah, my cheek! And oh, again my eyelid! I gave myself a stunning cuff on the ear, and all in vain. Flap we our handkerchief, flap, flap, a smash! Quick, quick, bring in a lamp! I've switched a flower vase from the shelf. Ah me! Splash on my head, and then upon my feet. The water poured. I'm drowned. My slippers full. My dicky. Ah, 'tis cruel. Flowers are nonsense. I'd have them amaranths all, or made of paper. Here, wring my neckcloth, and rub down my hair. Now Mr. Brackett, punctual man, is ringing the curfew bell. 'Tis 9 o'clock already. 'Tis early bedtime, yet methinks 'twere a joy on mattress cool to stretch supine. At midnight, were it winter, I were less fatigued, less sleepy. Sleep! I invoke thee, comfortable bird, that broodest o'er the troubled waves of life, and hushest them to peace. All hail the man who first invented bed! O wondrous soft, this pillow to my weary head! Right soon my dizzy thoughts shall o'er the brink of sleep fall into chaos and be lost. I dream. Now comes mine enemy, not silently, but with insulting and defiant warning. Come, banquet, if thou wilt, I offer thee my cheek, my arm. Tease me not, hovering high with a continuous hum. I fain would rest. Come, do thy worst at once. Bite, scoundrel, bite! Thou insect vulture, seize thy helpless prey. No ceremony, I'd have none with thee, could I but find thee. Fainter now and farther, the tiny war whoop. Now I hear it not. A cowardly assassin he waits, full well aware that I am on the alert, with murderous intent. Perchance he's gone, hawk eye and nose of hound not serving him, to find me in the dark. With a long sigh I beat my pillow, close my useless eyes, and soon again my thoughts whirl giddily, verging towards dreams. Starting, I shake my bed. Loud thumps my heart, rises on end my hair. A murder screech, and yells of frantic fury under my very window. A duet of fiendish hatred, battle to the death. 'Tis enough to enrage a man. Missile I seize, not caring what, and with a savage scat that scrapes my throat let drive. I would it were a millstone. Swiftly through the garden beds, and o'er the fence on either side they fly. I to my couch return, but not to sleep. Weary I toss, and think 'tis almost dawn. So still the streets, but now the latest train, whistling melodiously, comes in. The tramp of feet and hum of voices echo far in the still night air. Now with joy I feel my eyelids droop once more. To sleep and dream is bliss unspeakable. I'm going off. What was I thinking last? Slowly I rise on downy pinions. Dreaming I fly, I soar. Through the clouds my way I'm winging. Angels to their harps are singing. Strains of unearthly sweetness lull me, and thrilling harmonies. Yelp, bow wow wow, get out! The dog has got me by the leg. Stave him off, will you? See, he's rent my pants, my newest plaid. Kick him, yow, yow! This house I'll never serenade again. A dog should know musicians from suspicious chaps, and gentlemen from rowdies, even at night. Beat him again. No, no! Perhaps 'tis hers, a lady's pet. Methinks the curtain moves. She's looking out. Let's sing once more, just once. Not I. I'll sing no more to-night. And steps, limping unequally, and grumbling voice, pass round the corner and are heard no more. End of the Sounds of Evening in Cambridge.